Hey everyone! Today we've got something pretty exciting for all you sea-loving folks out there. If you're into sailing, fishing, or just spending some quality time on the water, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Now, if you've been keeping an eye on the latest marine tech, you might have heard about the Garmin Quatix 7 Pro smartwatch. Well, guess what? It's officially on the market, and it's specifically tailored for sailors and fishermen. If you remember the original Quatix 7, this new Pro version takes things up a notch, especially for all you anglers out there. So, what sets the Quatix 7 Pro apart? Well, first off, it goes beyond your typical health and location tracking. The ability to control trolling motors directly from your wrist. Yeah, you heard that right. No more fussing around with controls, just smooth sailing, or in this case, smooth fishing. Let me break down some standout marine features for you. Autopilot control, because who wouldn't want to change their boat's heading or follow a GPS route right from their wrist? And that's not all. The Fusion audio system lets you be the DJ of your boat's entertainment system, all without leaving your captain's chair. But wait, there's more! Ever wanted to keep an eye on crucial boat data without constantly staring at your chart plotter? The Quatix 7 Pro has you covered with boat data streaming. Water depth, engine RPM, wind, you name it, and it's right there on your wrist. And hey, safety first, right? This smartwatch can give you alerts for tide changes and anchor drag. It's like having a guardian angel for your boat, making sure everything stays shipshape. Now, navigation is where this watch truly shines. With multi-navigation satellite support, you can load up maps for marine, hiking, golf, ski, outdoor, you name the adventure, and it's got you covered. Additionally, they even threw in a white and red LED flashlight. Nice touch, right? Oh, and let's not forget about two more killer features. The Quatix 7 Pro allows you to mark waypoints on your chart plotter from anywhere on the boat. It's like leaving digital breadcrumbs to important locations or creating your own secret fishing route. And for all you chart enthusiasts, this smartwatch supports premier coastal charts with integrated navionics data, sold separately. Plus, if you're into freshwater adventures in the US, they've got you covered there too. Now let's talk about the battery life. The battery life on this thing is impressive. Up to 16 days in regular use, and a whopping 42 hours if you're navigating continuously with GPS. That's more than enough time for a fishing marathon or a sailing expedition. All right, folks, that's a wrap on the Garmin Quatix 7 Pro smartwatch. If you're serious about your time on the water, this might just be your new favorite gadget. Let me know in the comments what you think, and as always, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.